Now, let's find an equation for the hyperbola described. We have a vertices at 1/2, -3, and -9/2, -3. And we are given asymptotes y plus 3 equals positive negative 6/5 times quantity x plus 2. So which one out of these four equations would be the equation of our hyperbola? Now, with the help of graphing, we may find out the equation easily. First, we're going to locate where those 2 points. Vertices 1/2, -3. So you see that's 1/2, -3, 1 point. Another is -9/2, -3. So it's the one right here. So in this case, we find y constants, y coordinates are constant, which is -3. So we know the open direction would be in horizontal direction. So that's easy to find because 2 vertices is in horizontal direction. Okay, now then we're going to find out the center. We have 2 vertices, and then one is -4.5, which is -9/2. Another is 0.5. So we add those 2 values together divided by 2, we should have the middle point. Y coordinates is still -3. So this would be our middle point. So you add 0.5 and -4.5 together, you have a -4. And then divided by 2, that will be the center. So you do is label it. This will be the center. Locate the center is very important thing. Then you know here which one might be right. -2 for x, y minus -3. So then x plus 2, x, y plus 3. So might be either this one or this one. We have to figure out. Now, we want to do is find out a value. You see, the center is -2, -3 here. The a value should be the distance between the center and one of the vertices. And we can see here from center to one of the vertices, one of the vertex is 2.5. You can see that. So a value is actually 2.5, which is actually 5/2. So you know the a value. Okay. Now, then you are given 6/5, which is the slope. Slope is the ratio. It's the ratio. And we know that slope 6/5 is rise over run. And the rise over run, we know the a value, b value. So a is in horizontal direction, that's run. B is is in vertical direction. That's right. But we know a is not 5. A is 5 over 2. So if both numerator and denominator divided by 2, then we know this downstairs will be over a. Then upstairs has to be 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Well, we are so glad to find out A and B. Now, we're ready to write down the equation. Because, again, center is -2, -3. So it should be x minus -2, y minus -3. And then down below, the x variable, you should have a, because whoever is positive down below it should be a. We know the direction is in horizontal. So then a should be down below x-axis, not below y. Okay? So basically, that should be the curve. And then you can get 2 asymptotes. And you can see here, rise of a rhomb. When the rhomb is 2.5, then you have a 1, 2, 3 right here. So that will be the slope, which is 6 over 5, or 3 over 2.5. Okay, so once you have here a squared, which is 5 over 2 squared, minus b squared, b is 3 squared, equals 1. You have this standard one, then you may check this would be right. Because 5 squared is 25, 2 squared is 4 up, and here 3 squared is 9. Okay? X minus -2 is x plus 2. Y minus -3 is y plus 3. So this one would be correct, and this one is not. They put A and B in the wrong spot. Okay? I'll see you next time.